Hi, and welcome back to Fashion Freak. This week we have a DIY for you. So I wear this jacket often, and you guys probably want to know how I got it. Instead of buying a crop jacket, I made it. So I'm showing you right now how I took this long, just regular jacket I got on sale from Forever 21, and I cut it evenly to a beautiful crop jacket. So let's watch, stay tuned. Right now, I'm just buttoning up the jacket so that I can have, so it stays together while I cut it, or else it will cut crookedly. So because I want a perfect even line, just buttoning it up. That way when I cut it, it won't buckle. You want to take your time over parts like the hem or anywhere where it gathers, because if you rush it, this is where it will be crooked. You will have a squiggly line here. So I was just taking my time just so it could be perfectly straight. So right now I just flipped it over so I can get to the next side so that I can begin cutting to finish it off. Okay, so I finished cutting as I'm showing you guys, but because the back, because I'm cutting both parts, the front perfect even, but you see the back, if you see when I lift it up, you can see that it's just a little bit imperfect. So now I'm just going over to clean it up. But don't do this if you don't have a steady hand. I recommend if you don't have a steady hand, taking a marker and drawing out the line and then just cutting lightly above that. But I have a pretty steady hand with cutting because I've been cutting up my clothes since I was like 8 or 9. So yeah, right now I just noticed slightly that it dipped right by the button. So I'm just straightening out this part right here first, and then I'm going to even out the little crookeds in the back. Right now, I'm just checking right by the seams because I'm noticing by the buttons, there's just, it's not perfect. So I'm just lining up both sides because remember, it's cropped, but in the front, that's where they're going to see. So you have to make sure at least that part is really, really even. So I'm just taking my time and going over each section. Hey guys, Fashion Freak here, back with another video. So this is going to be how I DIY this jacket. Now this jacket I've already cut. I'll insert that clip first. But then I bought these shorts. I'll show them in a haul once I finish them. But I bought these shorts from Forever 21. They were like $7 on sale, buy one get one free, so I got like another pair of shorts free. But I wanted, like, I don't care that, like, I'm not really matchy but this has to be closer because it's just so different. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you how you can lighten denim, and I'm gonna lighten it so it's even. I want to show these pants because I lightened these. Like, these are old. They were French Connection. Let me put them up. They were actually the same color as these. Because see, if you look at the stitching, it's the same blue. But I didn't like it, so I lightened them. Let me see. I never thought about this. I could wear that, but these are not high-waisted. These are like the old school low waist. But yeah, they were that color, and I lightened them. So the next, this is my bucket of choice I use. What we're going to do first is we add water first. Okay, next I'm going to add obviously bleach. Okay. And I also add borax or OxyClean. Right now my OxyClean is done, so I'm going to add borax. This speeds it up. Sometimes if they're dyed hard, items have to take 2-3 bleach washes. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a lot of it. You see? I'm going to probably pour like half a cup. Okay, so that's all we're going to pour because I might have to do this twice. And then what you do, you want to agitate it a little bit. And then I gotta leave this for a couple hours, and then you will come back. If you could see, that's the darkest color. So it faded, probably lifted once. I'm gonna let it dry overnight and lift it one more time. It's the next morning, and I just wanted to show you guys the color. To at least see, that's still not the original color. It's about 2 shades lighter. I want to dye it. I have like an hour and a half before I leave for Montreal, so I'm going to do one more time. I'm going to try to get out like the imperfections and just a little bit lighter. Otherwise, this is pretty good. I just wanted to show you guys the final color. I'm trying to show it in sun without blocking. So yeah, you see it's not as dark, but I'm sure I could lift it once more. But I'm leaving to Montreal in like half an hour. So yeah, that's not bad. And I kind of like it because I don't really like to match. So it being a little bit off. Thank you again for watching Fashion Freak. I just want to pop in with a quick DIY on this jacket and how I lighten these shorts. They're actually lighter in person. So I'll see you again next week for another fashion related video. Bye.